you study, you will find it. The reason for this energy to happen on the planet Earth, the aligning of certain planets, happened when Krishna was in the body once. But people who missed, waited for 5,000 years and landed again on the planet Earth. Many have landed again. Don't miss this time. Because it is such a natural lift. It's almost like all you need to do is just open the flag in your boat and go with the air. Go with the trend. Automatically your number of thoughts will get reduced day by day. Don't associate depression with less number of thoughts. Unfortunately, from the young age you are constantly taught by the thinking based civilizations that less number of thought means depression. You feel, I am missing something. I need to put something into my system to excite me, whether it is a drug or food or caffeine or coffee or thoughts to excite. No, relax. You don't need anything to excite you. Feel comfortable with that less thought space. That will get translated itself into more action space. Less thought, more action. Sattva. The peace. Restful awareness. So much of prediction about this 2012, all over the internet. This is going to happen, that is going to happen, that is going to happen. All thinking-based civilizations are predicting doomsday. All being-based civilizations are predicting enlightenment. Actually, both are true. If you are a thought-based person, unable to catch up with the reality of less thoughts, it is going to be doomsday. Heavy depression. And there is going to be huge mass suicide. And all the countries and societies ruled by the depressed people are going to have war with others, blaming others responsible for their suffering. There is going to be a huge destruction. Understand, you have the responsibility to become conscious, enlightened, and choose enlightened beings as the head of your civilization and society, country. So, we need urgently few million enlightened beings in all major fields of bureaucracy, politics, in all major fields to protect planet Earth. Understand the urgency. Anyhow, the enlightened beings are not going to be affected, disturbed. But I wanted to warn the human civilization. You need immediately at least few million enlightened beings. People who are very comfortable with the less thought zone, unclutched space. People who don't fall into depression. See, when there is less thought, when you fall into depression, even the small mistakes which others do looks too much. Too much. And you just go for war. War is nothing but a friction, explosion of friction. You don't need a big reason for it. If the friction goes on getting built, just one reason, he stared at me, is enough. You'll start slapping. And one slap is enough for the other person to repeat, to respond. Nothing else is required. You don't need a big reason to go for a war. If If you want to save yourself, just learn the science of unclutching. Be comfortable with less thought space. You will not be harmed by 2012. If you want to use this great opportunity of 2012, just get enlightened. And if you want to save the planet Earth, see that all the people who are decision makers for your life, head of your country, head of your civilization, head of your society, your religious leader, your political leader, people who think for you, people who decide for you, political decision, social decision, religious decisions, inspire all of them to get enlightened. Inspire all of them to be in tune, be comfortable with the less thought space, so that they make right decisions for you. Understand? Now you have a huge social responsibility. Important part which Vedic tradition people were avoiding continuously. Especially in the Hindu tradition, people were always thinking, if you get enlightened, that's enough. Now that is not going to be enough. That is not going to be enough. What are you going to do? Sitting in just empty island, all by yourself, having few trees which will give fruit for your food. Not only you escaping, save few people so that you can celebrate your life with them. Save planet Earth. We have put, our ancestors, our elders, our predecessors put too much energy to create this huge infrastructure. Let it not be destroyed by foolish, unconscious politicians and unconscious religious theories, theologies, which goes on creating hatred amongst each other and becoming base for terrorism in the planet Earth. Two things. One, you falling in tune with the less thought space means learning the science of unclutching and using this 2012 less thought, more action zone for enlightenment. Use this as a jumping pad to get enlightened. This is the first thing. Second thing, now itself go all out, work hard, put at least 4 or 5 hours to save planet Earth by spreading the science of unclutching. That is why I am saying all the important science and the technology which is needed to save planet Earth and raise its consciousness, I am making it completely freely available in the social media and mass media and internet. I am not asking you to popularize my name as author, no. I am requesting you, take this science and spread it all over the world like a wildfire. The science of enlightenment, feeling comfortable with less thoughts through unclutching. So if you spread this science, especially